Hey guys, welcome to DevTech Finance. In this video, we would be learning about the term called NAV. So let's start. The net asset per unit of a scheme is calculated as net assets divided by number of outstanding units of the scheme. This is the net asset value. So you must have heard this term used in mutual fund schemes. So whenever you buy any mutual fund scheme, you tend to analyze the performance of that mutual fund according to its NAV. So NAV is nothing but giving you the idea of the market value of that particular scheme. So how is that calculated? It shows like what is the total value of the mutual fund of any particular scheme, the total value of that scheme divided by the number of outstanding units. So mutual funds are usually issued in units. So what is the total units and what is its total value? That would be taken in consideration to calculate NAV. So total value divided by total outstanding units, which would give you an idea about per unit value. So thus that would be indicating how the scheme is performing and what is its value of 1 unit of that particular mutual fund scheme. The NAV of the scheme will change with every change in the net assets of the scheme. So as the value goes up according to market situation, according to demand and investors' perception toward that particular scheme, as the total asset value will change, the NAV of the scheme will change. So more the demand of a particular scheme is there in the market, more the investment is made in that particular scheme, more would be the NAV, and the opposite and vice versa. So all investor transactions are conducted at current NAV of the scheme. The value of mutual fund investors' investment is calculated using the NAV. So if we want to analyze a mutual fund performance, we usually see the NAV, it's per everyday NAV, how it is fluctuating and how it is performing. And whenever the mutual fund investor they redeem their particular scheme, they get the value according to the NAV of that particular scheme. So let's understand this with an example. If an investor has invested 1,000 units in the scheme at rupees 10, so he is getting 1,000 units of a particular mutual fund scheme, and per unit the cost is rupees 10. So the value of total investment is rupees 10,000. Now according when this scheme is floated in the market, so in market there are many investors. So as the investment amount will go on, as the demand will go on, the NAV goes up. So for example, the NAV goes up to rupees 12. Now the value of total investment would be rupees 12,000. And similarly, when the NAV will come down to rupees 9, at that particular time the value of total investment will be rupees 9,000. So this is how NAV is indicating the market value of a particular mutual fund scheme. So thank you for watching. Do like and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel DevTech Finance. Thank you all.